Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. My name is Alexis Celine. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you the lighting that I just got in the mail. It was time for an upgrade and to splurge a little bit because, as you know, lighting is everything when it comes to filming videos for YouTube. I noticed that in my cooking videos, the lighting was kind of off, and I did some research to see what was the best kind of lighting out there with a lot of high recommendations and reviews. And yeah, I came across these that I'll be showing you. So if you're interested in seeing which ones I'm referring to, then just keep watching. So this big old box has the tripods in it, and it did come in a set of 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and set up the tripods, and then I'm gonna move on to the lights. Everything is from Amazon, of course, because Amazon never disappoints and they are super fast when it comes to shipping and delivery. So they both came in separate boxes. So I have 2 of them right here, and they are the professional tripod. Let me give you a little bit of information about these particular tripods. What's included in the box is a tripod, the phone mount adapter, a remote shutter, a portable bag, and also the user manual. So it does come with a lot in this box, and the price of this tripod was $15.99, and this is a 54-inch tripod. You have the option to go from 16 inches all the way up to 54 inches, depending on what you're using it for. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what all is inside. So here we have the little clip for your phone. Then it comes in this little bag here. And then lastly is the little remote shutter. It does have a drawstring bag included. It also has a little handle to throw it over your shoulder if you want to bring it with you on the go. So it is pretty compact, very lightweight. So here is the tripod in the smallest setting. Here's a little mechanism to turn, and it has a 360 swivel. This is the brand. I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one up in the meantime. Let me see how tall this actually goes. It is 54 inches. So it's very lightweight. I'm hoping that it can hold up the lights itself because they are a little heavy. Go ahead and open the other one. Okay, so now that I have those open, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the lights that I got. Okay, so this is the actual box. And this is a Yongnuo Yn300 Pro LED video light. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. So this is what it looks like when you open it. That was just a little sticker with their advertisement. Here it has the manual, and this is the light itself. It is come wrapped, and it just has this little plastic piece. And under that, it has all the accessories that come with the light. They do also have a warranty card included with all their information on the back of it. So this light, you get a remote control. You also get a battery charger. Then we have the battery. Also, this one comes with a little stand to place it on your countertop or wherever it is you may be using it for. But it has this handle here to hold the light, and then it comes with 2 of the temperature plates to change the color of the lighting. This light on Amazon is listed for $89. I'm gonna go ahead and open the light itself. This is what the back looks like. It does have a dial to turn it on, and also a few buttons for the battery, the channel, and the course. This is a base that is interchangeable, and you can attach it to the bottom of the light and put it on the little handle that comes with it, or you can put it on a tripod if you have one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sure it's on there securely. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it has these aluminum plates on the light, and you can kind of have the option to how wide you want to open it. Now these plates here will help kind of direct the light, so if you close them up more focused, or you can open it up wider depending on what you're trying to brighten up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on with this here power button. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty bright. It is digitalized here. You can kind of see on my face that it's getting more orange, and it goes up to $99. You have an option to play with the color range. So as you can see, it goes really bright. It does have a lot of options. I'm not sure on exactly which ones I'm gonna use. I guess it just depends on where you're at and where you're filming at. It's depending on how strong or bright you need it to be on. So of course there's a power button, and then battery, channel, 3200K and 5600K, and then fine and coarse. So yeah, I'm not sure what all of those do to change the lighting. I'm gonna go ahead and put them onto the tripods and see if they fit, and get the first light and put it onto the tripod. I'm scared that this is gonna fall because, like I said, this light is pretty heavy and the tripod's pretty lightweight. You can hold the light. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it looks pretty good on it. Go ahead and open it up. There we have it. It is easy to move around. I also have the option to pull it higher and lock that into place if you need it higher. So I like that option. First one set up. Go ahead and get the other one and put it on the tripod as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit closer of what they look like on the tripod. Yeah, I'm super excited to have these new lights, and hopefully they help with the quality of my videos. And they look super cute and chic, and I love that there's no cords attached to them, so there won't be any hazards of tripping on the wires or anything like that. And they're super lightweight, so they'll be easy to maneuver around wherever I need to bring them. Let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like on the tripods. Very chic and small and compact, which I like, and they are very lightweight. The light on its own is really heavy, so now that it's connected to the tripod, it's very easy to lift up and it's not heavy at all, which is kind of weird, but yeah, it works out great. I love the cute little panels that it has. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how bright they look. Let me turn them on. Kind of put them on the same settings, but that one does look a little bit brighter than this one. I'm gonna show you what the lights look like without my vanity light, just so you can kind of get a point of view of how bright they are and the quality of them. Let me go ahead and turn off my vanity light, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna have to kind of mess with it still. I don't know all the settings and what they need to be on to get the right brightness for me. So this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you again for watching this video. Let me know what you thought of these lights. I'm super excited to have them, and I'm hoping that they help with the quality of my videos, and I just want to make everything better. And thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and give this video a thumbs up. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.